Russell here with Park Superior Sales, and today I'll be showing you a 2018 Platinum Coach Cadillac XTS Phoenix. Take a look at that front end. It's such a nice look to it. Keeps that Cadillac style. Black on black with a full Tuxedo vinyl top, accommodated with a nice polished crown band down the middle. Opening up the spare tire area, you can see there's plenty of room to work with. And to allow for even easier access, they've also implemented a flap here that can be lifted up to give you more room to be able to maneuver your spare tire. Now moving to the rear load door, you can see it comes accommodated with the 3-piece stainless option, and they've also included a backup camera right above the license plate area. This load door opens up nice and wide and gives your pallbearers plenty of room to work with. And as you can see, it's a very nice looking casket area. It comes equipped with the built-in Urn Valet, which can also accommodate up to a baby-sized casket. It also has a fold-out bumper protector carpet, which still allows you to use your 90-degree rollers, but will also protect your bumper. And the floor that you're seeing in there is a black alicante. Goes very nicely with the graphite interior. Now opening up to the church truck area, you can see that it is a closed church truck. However, they have also put a flap on this side to give you more room so you can either lay your church truck down or stand it up, whichever you prefer. And to the right of that, you will also see the umbrella storage area. Thank you for watching this video. If you would like more information on this beautiful car, please give us a call at 1-800-229-5008 or visit us online at parksuperior.com.